Good afternoon. We are going to see how to create different transactions like transfer orders, miscellaneous transactions, inter-org transfers, movement requests. These all actions that will be can be done from item quantities. Okay, so this feature is coming from the Redwood. Previously, we have to navigate to so many screens, but it's not. And by using this screen item quantities, we can create all these actions in one screen only. Okay, so for that we have to go to item quantity screen, then just search for the item, or you can just click on this, or we directly can create miscellaneous time. So we can also know how much quantity is available, uh, on hand quantity also available by using the screen. Okay, previously we have to navigate to so many screens, but on-hand quantity is available in the screen only. So what I want to create a miscellaneous transaction particular item. Just click on this. So these all actions will can be done from using item quantity screen. Okay, then so click on the, suppose I want to create miscellaneous transaction. Just click on this and use this screen. After that, I have to then from line details I have to add here. I want to add something like this, 100. Then we have to inventory stores. That just click on done. Then automatically the quantity will be updated in the previous screen. Okay. So this feature is coming from Redwood UI. We can use the same screen for transfer orders also. Suppose, so this type of feature is not available in previous screens. Uh, this is coming from Redwood, using Redwood screens only. So if you have any doubts on this, please ping me on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back. So I can create all transfer orders also from the same screen. Okay. So and there is no need to navigate to different screens. Previously, I have to navigate. So now inbound is 100 is coming. Uh, then if I want to create inter-order transfers also, create movement request transfers, create movement request issues. Everything can be done using this screen only. Okay. So if you have any doubts on this, please ping me on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back. Okay. Thank you.